Good day guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video ay pag-uusapan naman natin ang Next Gen Ford Territory. Kung naghahanap ka ng bagong sasakyan at isa na sa naiisip-isip mong bilhin ang Ford Territory pero medyo nag-aalangan ka pa sa Ford Territory, then this episode is definitely for you. We'll be breaking down the top 5 reasons kung bakit kailangan mong i-consider ang Next Gen Ford Territory for your next car. Alright, ano nga ba ang mga dahilan kung bakit dapat mong i-consider ang Next Gen Ford Territory? Here are the 5 key reasons kung bakit kailangan mong i-consider ang Ford Territory for your next car. First on our list ay ang advanced interior features ng Ford Territory. One of the standout aspects ng Next Gen Territory ay ang high-tech at luxurious interior nito. Equipped with a 12-inch digital instrument cluster at isang 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system na equipped with Android Auto at Apple CarPlay. At may Bluetooth din ito kaya kumpletos recados talaga. At pinagsama nila ang infotainment system at instrument cluster kaya para itong may isang malaking screen sa harap kahit magkahiwalay talaga sila. Kaya mas nagmukha siyang mas luxurious. Dagdag pa dyan, may wireless charging pad ang Ford Territory kaya lagi nang powered up ang inyong device without the clutter of wires. Ang seats ay upholstered in premium materials providing a comfortable and stylish ride. Naka-leather wrap din ang steering wheel at may soft touch material din ang dashboard at sidings. Ang driver's seat ay may 10-way power adjustment with lumbar support. Plus, ang panoramic sunroof nito na available sa Titanium X variant for additional premium ambience and natural lighting. Pangalawa sa ating listahan ay ang advanced safety features. Safety ay isang top priority para sa Ford. At ang Next Gen Ford Territory ay hindi naiiba. It comes packed with a suite of advanced safety technologies designed para mapanatili ang safety mo at ang iyong mga pasahero. Mayroon itong autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian detection, which means automatically applies the brakes kapag may na-detect na potential collision, helping to prevent accidents or reduce the severity. Mayroon din itong driver, passenger, and side curtain airbags. Ang Ford Territory ay may lane departure warning system na nag-aalerto sa iyo kapag hindi mo sinasadyang mawala sa iyong linya. At mayroon din itong lane keeping assist na tumutulong naman i-steer ang sasakyan pabalik sa linya kung kinakailangan. Mayroon din itong adaptive cruise control na nagme-maintain ng safe distance from the vehicle in front of you and adjusting your speed as needed. Additionally, mayroon din itong blind spot information system with cross traffic alert na tumutulong naman ma-detect ang mga vehicle sa iyong blind spot at nagwa-warn sa iyo ng approaching traffic. Hindi lang yan, mayroon din itong 360-degree camera system providing a bird's eye view of your surroundings na tumutulong sa iyo mag-maneuver in tight spaces much easier and safer. At mayroon din itong adaptive park assist na tumutulong naman sa iyo kapag nahihirapan kang mag-park. Next on our list ay ang spacious interior. Isa sa mga pinaka-importanteng factor na tinitignan ng mga car buyers ngayon ay ang space. And the Ford Territory doesn't disappoint. It boasts a roomy cabin na komportableng makakaupo ang 5 passengers with ample legroom and headroom. Ang rear seats ay may very spacious to the point na pwede ka pang maglagay ng isang bag sa harap mo at pwede din ito i-recline at i-fold down providing flexibility for both passengers and cargo spaces. With the seats up, you already have a generous amount of trunk space. Bitin pa ba ito sa'yo? Fold them down at mas marami ka pang pwedeng ilagay na gamit sa loob. This makes the Ford Territory perfect for family trips, grocery run, or even just everyday trips. Whether you're transporting people or things, you won't feel cramped inside the territory. Pang-apat sa listahan natin ay ang Ford Territory 5-Star Care Package. One of the things na nagpapaiba sa Ford Territory from its competitors ay ang comprehensive car care package na kasama nito. Ang 5-Star Care Package ay may 5-year warranty or 150,000 kilometers whichever comes first. Mayroon din itong free 5-year scheduled service plan at 5-year free roadside assistance. That means, hindi mo na kailangan mag-alala tungkol sa maintenance cost for the first 5 years of ownership. This package gives you peace of mind knowing na covered ka for any unexpected issues na pwedeng mangyari. It is also a testament to Ford's confidence in the durability and reliability ng kanilang vehicles. Knowing na may ganitong level of support can make a significant difference sa inyong overall ownership experience. The last but not the least ay ang pricing. Dahil nagkakahalaga lang ito ng around 1,335,000 to 1,675,000 pesos. Despite all the advanced features at high level of comfort and safety na ino-offer nito, the next-gen Ford Territory ay nanatiling competitively priced. It's positioned to be an affordable option for those looking ng sasakyang talagang malaluxurious ang feel. Given ang array of high-end features, advanced safety systems at ang spacious and luxurious interior, it's surprising to see na ang Ford Territory ay priced within the reach of many buyers. It offers excellent value for money, making it a smart investment para sa anyone looking for a new SUV. At dyan nagtatapos ang ating topic for today. Sana marami kayong natutunan at mas nalinawan kayo about Ford Territory. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod pa nating pag-uusapan. Thanks for watching. Paalam!